All right, you guys, it's like day 500 of quarantine. I just woke up. It's 11:30. I asked you guys on Instagram if I should have breakfast or lunch right now, and it's at a 50-50. So it's not helping with my decision. But I think I'm gonna have some cereal and coffee. Let's start it off with that, and then maybe I'll add a protein.
Breakfast is going to be some organic Trader Joe's Raisin Bran with bananas. And I ate it while I stared at my pool that I can't go in. So I just ate my breakfast and I grabbed some snacks with me in the car, like some strawberries and some nuts. And I'm going to go drive up along the coast and see if there is somewhere to take a walk.
So my normal hiking trails that I go to on the coast are closed. You can't even park in the area. There's a bunch of signs that you can't even park in the neighborhood. It says violators will be cited. So there is a part that you can walk up on the upper level sidewalk area, and I see everyone walking there and hiking there. So I'm probably just gonna find another place to park and just go on that walking area. Sometimes I think I'm filming and I'm not really filming. And when I say sometimes, I mean like most of the time. So I'm just gonna park in the plaza nearby because I have to go to the store anyway. And it's 2-hour parking, so it should be fine.
So I just got some tortilla chips and some butter, pure Irish butter, some almond bries, and this organic coconut water, the dumplings that I like. I get these all the time. I got this ice cream that I love, and I got some watermelon cucumber juice.
There was a line before I went in, and it actually wasn't that bad. It went by pretty fast, and it was really long, so I wasn't sure if I was gonna make it through that. So today I have zero anxiety. I don't know what the reason is for that, but I had mentioned in my previous videos that I was having some social anxiety, and I just don't have any today. It's gone. But like I was saying before in that previous video, some days I have it and some days I don't, and I can't really explain what that is, but today's been pretty good. So I just ate some Pringles that I found in my cup holder. They're still there. My hike was like 2 miles long. I'm gonna try to work out more often just because I'm not an at-home workout person. Like, I do not like working out at home. I can do it once in a while, but not really. Like, I'm very outdoorsy, need to go outside. Even though I have like a gym membership, I'll do 2 workouts. I'll, tone at the gym, and then I'll go for a hike or whatever. I'm very much like an outdoors person. Plus, I feel my body like falling apart lately from sitting around editing all day. So I'm definitely going to try and keep hiking and walking outside where I can, where it's available. Oh yeah, so the Trader Joe's that I've been going to, they are not allowing your own personal bags. Just the stores that I'm going to, I don't know if that's every one of them, but they're bagging it with their own bags, your groceries. So I think this is a piece of Pringle on me. But last time they bagged my groceries. By the time I got home and was trying to take them up, my bag like broke from the bottom and it fell and I almost took my back out. But now what I'm doing is just changing the bag when I get to the car. I mean, I guess you could ask them to double bag it, but I forgot. And I'm just changing it into my grocery bags when I get to the car so that I don't have that kind of a problem again. So I have leftovers, so I'm gonna put those together right now in a plate, and that's what I'm gonna be having for lunch. So my leftovers are salmon, cauliflower, corn, and this beautiful arugula salad. My cousin made this yesterday, and I have leftovers, so I'm so lucky, and I can't wait to eat it.
Had a quick shot of Cranberry Emergency.
So I'm doing a little bit of laundry now, and the way I get my workout clothes ready is I hang everything on one hanger. The bottoms, the sports bra, the shirt, and I'll even hang my underwear on the back all together just so I can grab it and go in the morning, and that kind of makes it easier for me because I'm lazy. So this motivates me to just grab it, and then I just have to get my socks and I'm ready to go. So I want a little snack and I'm craving something sweet, so I'm gonna make these Annie's chocolate chips now in the oven.
This is what they look like out of the wrapper.
So I'm gonna actually cut them up because I like them to be like mini cookies, even though they look like they're small already, but I like them to be smaller.
This is how they look after I cut them.
So it ends up looking like this. I just broke them up and put them in there, and I'm gonna put it in the oven for 16 minutes on 350 degrees.
Here are my finished cookies, and I'm so excited to taste them. I'm having leftover pizza for dinner. This is from Blaze, and it's really good. I'm also going to have these grilled artichoke halves from Trader Joe's.
So it's about 9 o'clock and I have put some curlers in my hair. I just want to put the heat on it, get the curl going, so I don't have to worry about it tomorrow. So I'll leave these in for like 15 minutes and they'll be fine. Got them at Target.
Gave myself a little self-care mani-pedi to end the night, so that was fun.
All right, so I took my curlers out and this is what my hair looks like. It's a little bit poofy and big, but it will go down. So you don't really have to worry about it. This will go down by tomorrow. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Just pumping out these videos because I'm home, so it's fun and I like doing them. Hope you are enjoying them. Yeah, I just kind of did the normal things that I would do in a day today. Anyways, thanks for liking and subscribing and watching my videos. And thanks for joining me on my quarantine journey. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So good. These are so yummy.